Ano ba height? Anong difference ng men's height sa women's height sa net? 1 foot. Laki difference, no? Now, forward back in front. Manzano has yet to score today. This is somebody who scored 30 points in one game for the Philippine Air Force. Alce, third back by Lawrence Ford.
This is really the way to go for San Sebastian.
Take a look at this again. No more sneaky attacks from Balse as Lauren Ford is now patrolling the front line. We'll be right back. Perfect. 16-11, San Sebastian ahead of the Philippine Army here in set number 2. And speaking of San Sebastian, we have found our Shakey's face of the day. You remember her? Yan po yung dating center na San Sebastian, si Patsy Belen. 20 years old, taga Binyan, Laguna. At yan, pizza-pizza na lang. Shocking yellow. Si Bamsi ngayon. May rumor nga, nag-artista na daw yan eh. Pwede naman eh. Artistahin naman talaga eh. Ayan. Kaya lang, naka-braces. Mahirap kumain. Braces, diba?
Chair.
Lots of defense there, but at the end, the Philippine Army still gets the point off of Boli's block. This is where the Philippine Army wants to be. Mga 5 points, 4 points away lang.
Lang eh. Too many. Ano na yun eh. Laki caution na
Right.
rin eh.
You remember, they did this against Maynila, then Maynila stayed ahead.
And quick to react. Una getting another point. Jack Boli, 11 attacks so far. Philippine Army, 19. So imagine, 11 ang ginagawa ni Jack Boli. Ang Army na.
Here they come. Time out Roger Goraya before this gets out of hand again. Take a look at that last play. Jill Gustilo, if she was about a foot behind, she might have been able to do that.
Not in the best position to take that reception. Well, Kim Balsa to serve, a sharp serve. Boli
May bago tayo nasagap na balita. Sports Vision is actually hosting a 5-nation volleyball invitational. Matagal na natin alam yun. But now we can officially say it. Na malapit na po mangyari yan. Miyaka will have all the details later. But that is so exciting. 5-nation cup.
Tagal lang pinaplano yan. And finally, look at
that was kind of first Ford. That was again a no for Ford. Benito.
And a free ball given to the Philippine Army.
And
well, they were all going to the middle. But Tina Sala giving it to Rachel Andakis and responding to that set. Well, so far, Army 70 excellent receptions in the San Sebastian 8. Ging Balse with 5 and Jen Reyes with 8.
The onus will be on Salgado as she doesn't get a good reception there again. Benito, Dakis, Salak, Michelle Carolino, yes, off the block of Robida Leon. And the remote control serve will be on now.
Rachel Andakis, 6 attack points and Michelle Carolino with 5.
They go to Ford once again. This time, Balsa does not have the superpowers of Dakis.
Malapit na yun eh. Pero iba yan. Kaya sa long attack, as close for Ging Balse.
De Leon. Bunag. Michelle Carolino.
And again, the reception, the defense of San Sebastian.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
A lot of errors on defense.
I will guarantee you, pag nagkaroon tayo ng 5-nation tournament, as the Philippine Army now takes the lead on that Strange serve from Mayat Carolino. I guarantee you, pag nagkaroon tayo ng 5-nation tournament, pinakamagandang players sa Pilipinas.
Hands down.
Guaranteed yun.
Yeah.
Ano ba panama nila kay King Balse, Mayat Carolino, Rachel Andakis, ha?
Shamsi.
Shamsi ba nagbabalibol yun? Alam ko yung dati.
Ganun lang tayo kagaganda.
Oo.
Save!
Dalayan, four! Save back! Sabi niya, she's stepped up.
And look at her go! Lauren Ford! Making sure she took that away.
That's 19.
What a put away by Lauren Ford.
Save that. Big that.
Save no more.
Bad reception from Michelle Carolino. On the Lauren Ford serve, so Ford gets an ace. Only the second player from San Sebastian to get a service ace, or third player rather, after Boli and De Leon. Ford again. Ford with a good serve again.
Just as when you thought that the Philippine Army would have wanted Ford on that service line at the back row, Ford making 2 aces from the line.
Ito na naman, dalawang setter. Ers Iratay checks back in.
Ford with 12 points.
Ford, Reyes, better reception.
That was far away from the net for the quick hit.
Tapa camera siya eh.
Nako-conscious.
Oo. Single block na lang ang ginawa doon itong si Jennifer Manzano. 24-19. 5 set points for San Sebastian with the same lineup now for the Philippine Army. Does this look familiar to you? Sabi ni Lauren Ford. Forget the first set. We're gonna put it away right here. Let's see if they can. Salak. Ito na naman tayo.
It's becoming to look a lot like
Chris.
Tignan natin.
Baka ano naman, ha? Ayaw na ni Roger Gorayot to.
Puputiin na yung book ni Coach Roger.
Oo. Oli. Dalayan.
They put it away.
Ayan, it's up 1 set point there. So San Sebastian ties it up at 1 set apiece. 25-20. And that kill by Joy Benito. Finally. Hindi ka lang ng shaky play. Again, it starts with good reception. That's exactly what they got from Boli. And down the middle went Joy Benito. Set number 3 coming up.